Clever, comfortable and confident, the all-new Mazda 2 is destined to blow away people's expectations of super minis. It is the fourth Mazda with a Kodo soul of motion design, featuring a solid stance, muscular lines and a look of pure energy about to be released. Characteristics it shares with the car maker's other new generation models, the Mazda 3, Mazda 6 and Mazda CX-5. Concentrating such vibrancy and emotion into Mazda's smallest model was no simple task.
Our biggest challenge was to adapt Kodo design, which was created for much larger cars, into a more smaller, subcompact category. The result is a great combination of sportiness and muscularity, which combined with sophistication and elegance.
The all-new Mazda 2 is a unique example of how design and technology actually complement one another.
Even in the really early sketch phases, it was important for us to adapt and respect Skyactiv technology and its requirements. The advantage for design is it gives us a really unique proportion.
Instead of following the popular B-segment one-motion style, which moves the A-pillars forward to make the cabin look roomier, Mazda went its own way.
The key to achieving these unique proportions was to take the compact cabin, shift it as much rearward as we could to get much more visual load on the rear wheels. It was necessary for us to move the A-pillar rearward 80mm to achieve that.
Up front, the Predator-like headlamps with a 4-lamp LED design contribute to the dynamic nature of the all-new Mazda 2's face. Like the exterior, style elements of the superbly crafted interior work in symbiosis with comfort and ergonomics. The cabin is split into two zones, one focused on driving and the other on connectivity and infotainment. The stylish arrangement not only heightens the quality look, but also accentuates the feeling of roominess. The sporty and sophisticated interior features a rich blend of high-quality materials and finishing that is unusual for this class. Mazda also offers a range of stylish color coordination schemes for the cabin, and with them a unique and fun way to personalize the all-new Mazda 2. This car is, in a word, uncompromising. It looks and feels original and does so in a package that is completely harmonious. This is something drivers and passengers will notice immediately and appreciate well into the future.
With the all-new Mazda 2, we wanted to exceed customer expectation in the B segment. So we aim to build a key element of the design and technology found in our larger models.
That's particularly true of the interior design, where we've evolved and refined the overall shapes and design details to give the customers the feeling that it's sitting in a premium segment car. You almost get the feeling that it's actually bigger on the inside as it is on the outside.
This is the first Mazda to offer the all-new Skyactiv 1.5-liter diesel engine, which delivers less than 19 grams per CO2. The new Mazda 2 is also available with the Skyactiv 1.5-liter gasoline engine, along with a range of Skyactiv technology applications. As a result, this is extremely lightweight and efficient vehicle.
Even in the really early sketch phases, it was important for us to adapt and respect Skyactiv technology and its requirements. The advantage for design is it gives us a really unique proportion. The key to achieving these unique proportions was to take the compact cabin, shift it as much rearward as we could to get much more visual load on the rear wheels. And as you well know, it was necessary for us to move the A-pillar rearward 80mm to achieve that.
The rearward and A-pillar are also great for the visibility, which is an important safety benefit for the customers. The all-new Mazda 2 also includes a full range of the eye-active sense technologies, and this car is among the first it is a class to add the safety of LED headlamps.
It's the lamps combined with the new three-dimensional interpretation of our signature wing, which are positioned low, giving the car a sharp front face. Our biggest challenge was to adapt Kodo design, which was created for much larger cars, into a smaller, subcompact category. The result is a great combination of sportiness and muscularity, which combined with sophistication and elegance gives a premium feel which is reinforced by the interior, which we saw earlier.